Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add Wix Pro Gallery. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and then here you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the list that includes all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right here, for example, I'm going to go to this site, hover my mouse over it, and then here you're going to find the option to select it and edit the site. So right now I'm going to click on this option. And as you can see, guys, now we are on the dashboard. So once you're here on the dashboard, just go to the left. Here you're going to find all of the sections. And if you go to the bottom right here, you're going to find edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site. And then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for it to load. This is basically going to be the editor for Wix. So once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. And here in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you customize your website. So right now, in order to add a Pro Gallery on Wix, click on Add Element. And then once you're here, as you can see guys, right here, you can add all of these elements. You can add a text, image, button, strip, decorative box. And here, as you can see guys, you're going to find gallery. So just click on gallery. And then here, you're going to find recommended, pro galleries, grid galleries, slider galleries, and lastly, more galleries. Right now, click on pro galleries. And then as you can see guys, this is all of the pro galleries. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on it. And then as you can see guys, now it's added. And once it's added, this is how it will look like. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.